What's up guys, it's Rube with another piano tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to play Feel My Love on the keys. It's not a hard song to learn, so if you are a beginner, don't worry about this one. With a little bit of practice, you should be able to play it in no time. So guys, remember to subscribe if you're watching me from YouTube. And also, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with no further ado, let's zoom in right after this. Chunk this song into 3 parts, or rather 4 parts. The first part I will talk about the intro, then I'll talk about the verse, then I'll talk about the pre-chorus and the chorus. And the reason why I'm dividing this song is because all those different parts of the song have different, or rather the progression does vary. So we'll start with the intro, and first of all, the key of the song is key A, and the intro's progression is 4, 5, 1 in the key of A. So this is how it sounds. So the 4 is chord D. This is D, but this is the second inversion of the D chord. So normally you'd hold D chord as so. D, first inversion, second inversion. So the second inversion, I'm holding with my small finger and ring finger. I'm playing note D, note A, and then note D with my pointer finger, note F sharp with my thumb. So that's second inversion of the D chord. On my right hand, second inversion. So normally you'd hold it here, D, first inversion, second inversion. So I'm playing note A with my thumb, note D with my middle finger, and note F with my small finger. So the chord that follows is chord E. So E, this is also an inversion of E. So this is the first inversion of E. So normally you hold E from here. So E, first inversion. Left hand, ring finger, note G sharp, middle finger, note B, note E with my thumb. Right hand, the first inversion of E. So E, first inversion. G sharp with my thumb, pointer finger on note B, and note E with my small finger and ring finger. So the chord that follows is A. So the A, this is just the normal A without an inversion. So I'm playing note A with my small finger and ring finger, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. Right hand, note A with my thumb, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my ring finger and small finger. So the timing you could count as it's 3 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the intro plays the progression once, and then after now we'll look at the verses. So the verse is so the first verse and the second verse does vary a bit, but I will talk about the second verse when I get there. So the first verse, the progression is also kind of similar to the intro, but there's a variation. So this is how the verse sound, the progression of the verse sound. So the chord that we've introduced into this progression is this chord, which is F sharp minor. So this is an inversion of F sharp. It's actually the first inversion of F sharp minor. So normally you hold the F sharp minor from here. So F sharp minor, then first inversion of the F sharp minor. So I'm using my small finger and ring finger to play note A, and then my middle finger to play note C sharp, and note F sharp with my thumb. So on my right hand, F sharp minor, first inversion. So normally F sharp, then first inversion. So my thumb is playing note A, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. So that's the new chord in that progression. So how you can count, the rhythm, it's D. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that progression plays times 2 twice for verse 1. So this is D, D, E, A, D, E, F sharp minor, F sharp minor. So after the verse, just now, the pre-chorus comes in. So the pre-chorus is the part where this arise is something like na 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 it's a bit lengthy, but the chords are kind of similar to the verse and the chorus. I mean the verses. So these are the chords, namely. So it's this is a 4 D E A F sharp, then D E A, B minor, then D, E. So the new chord in this progression is the B minor chord, which is an inversion, a second inversion of the B minor chord. So normally you hold the B minor here. So this is second inversion. Okay, it's second inversion because I'm going behind. So this is the second inversion of the B minor chord. So I am using my ring finger to play note F sharp, my pointer finger to play note B, and my thumb to play note D. On my right hand, thumb plays F sharp, middle finger plays note B, and note D with my small finger and ring finger. So this is a second inversion of the B minor chord. So the timing is you could count that 1, 2, 3 as so. So let's just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then so from here is you go to the chorus, which is 4, 5, 1, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So as you notice, this is the same as the intros. So it's 4, 5, 1. So well, that's it for the those parts. The other thing maybe we want to touch on is that verse 2 is shorter compared to verse 1. So when you were playing verse 2, you'll play the 5 4 5 1 4 5 6, then 4 5 1, and then chorus, the pre-chorus. So the second, so it just plays there's one like the D, E, F sharp doesn't play in the second verse. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. So now be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So with that, guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.